Did you know some people can break a bone, touch a flame, or undergo surgery and not feel a thing? No, it's not a superhero origin story. This is real. Welcome to the rare world of congenital insensitivity to pain, or CIP. It's a condition so rare, so strange, and so misunderstood that it sounds like science fiction. But for the few who live with it, the inability to feel pain is both a blessing and a terrifying curse. Let's dive into the science, the stories, and the strange truth behind a world without pain. Before we start, if you like us and want to support us, there's a free and simple way to do that. Just hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out when we put out new videos. We assure you that we will commit to bringing you the best videos each week. We also crave your feedback and suggestions as we aim to give you the best content possible. Congenital insensitivity to pain, or CIP, is a genetic neurological disorder. Congenital means you're born with it. Insensitivity means your nervous system is working, but pain just doesn't register. People with CIP can still feel touch, heat, cold, pressure, even textures. But pain, gone, broken arm, feels like nothing. Burned hand, no flinch. It's like their body never pulls the fire alarm. There are only a few hundred documented cases worldwide, making it one of the rarest conditions known to medicine. So how does this happen? The root of the mystery lies in our genes, specifically the SCN9A gene. This gene produces a key protein that helps pain signals travel through the nervous system. In CIP patients, this gene is mutated, which means the pain channel between the body and the brain is broken. It's like unplugging the wire that tells your brain, "Hey, that hurts!" Think of your nerves like internet cables. If the cables are cut, the message never gets delivered. Interestingly, researchers have found other variations. Some people also have mutations in the TRKA or PRDM12 genes. Each causes slightly different types of pain loss, but all share one dangerous thing: the absence of pain perception. So, what's it like living without pain? Imagine you're a toddler learning to walk and you fall hard. No pain, so you don't cry. That sounds fine until you realize you may have broken a bone and never noticed. No tears, no limp, no help. Children with CIP often bite their tongues, burn their hands on stoves, or walk on broken bones because their body never signals them to stop. As adults, things don't get easier. One person with CIP said, "I have to visually check my body for injuries every day because I never know what I've done to myself." Pain teaches most of us to be cautious. Without it, everyday life becomes a constant game of risk, and sometimes survival. You might think not feeling pain sounds amazing, but it's more nightmare than miracle. Here's why. Infections can go unnoticed. A minor cut might become deadly. Bones can fracture without warning, causing internal damage. Burns can become life-threatening because there's no reaction to heat. Surgery becomes risky because even though they feel no pain, they still need anesthesia to prevent shock from other bodily sensations. Many CIP patients die young, not from the disorder itself, but from untreated injuries and infections. Parents of children with CIP often describe their child as fearless, in a way that's tragic, not heroic. But here's the twist. Studying people with CIP has led to groundbreaking medical insights, especially in the world of pain relief. Scientists realized, if we can mimic the genetic mutation in CIP, maybe we could create painkillers that stop chronic pain without addictive opioids. In fact, research on the SCN9A gene has opened up potential therapies for everything from neuropathy to phantom limb pain. One British woman with CIP was even part of a pain research revolution. Her DNA helped scientists understand pain signaling like never before, and might one day change how we treat pain worldwide. So, ironically, the people who can't feel pain might help millions who feel too much of it. CIP isn't alone in the world of strange neurological disorders. Here are a few related conditions. Congenital analgesia, often used interchangeably with CIP, but may refer to partial or specific pain loss. Hereditary sensory and autonomic neuropathies, HSN, a group of disorders where nerve cells that carry signals are impaired. Pain. Asymbolia, a rare condition where people feel pain but don't care. It doesn't bother them emotionally. These rare conditions all challenge what we think of as normal, and they reveal one powerful truth. Pain is deeply tied to consciousness, emotion, and survival. What if we could turn off pain entirely? Would we want to? Imagine a world where surgeries had no discomfort, where chronic pain didn't exist. It sounds amazing, but pain has value. Pain teaches, protects, and signals danger. Without it, we might survive less, not more. So as scientists study CIP, they face an ethical challenge. How much pain relief is too much? Can we shut off suffering without shutting off survival? People with CIP live that question every day. and their lives remind us just how vital pain truly is. Let's meet a few extraordinary individuals who live without pain. Ashlyn Blocker, a girl from Georgia, USA, has been the subject of documentaries and medical research. Her parents didn't realize anything was wrong until she was a toddler, when she grabbed a hot plate and didn't cry. Jo Cameron, a Scottish woman, lived 65 years without realizing she had CIP. She had 2 surgeries and gave birth with 0 pain relief, and felt nothing. The Marsili family in Italy, 6 members spanning multiple generations, all have a genetic mutation that makes them insensitive to pain. They become a research goldmine for scientists. These are not superheroes. They're vulnerable, brilliant, and living testaments to just how strange and powerful the human body can be. Pain may be the thing we fear the most, but it's also the thing that keeps us alive. And for those who live without it, every day is a reminder that pain isn't just suffering, it's survival. So the next time you stub your toe or wince at a paper cut, just remember, it means your body is working. And for some, that's a luxury they'll never have. If you found this story fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe for more wild facts, and share this with a friend who complains about pain a little too much.